Bert and Kip went to the boardroom,
Even the boardwalk hard.
said Bert.
Look at the jazz cans.
Said Kip.
Maybe we'll find cup of ice.
Bert and Kip looked in the trash cans. They looked near the pizza place. They looked near to the hot dog place. There was no icy, but Kip saw something else.
Ice cream. Forget it, kid.
Said Bert.
Ice cream is just for people.
Suddenly,
Proud.
the ice cream cone landed next to them.
At my ice cream cone.
Cried the boy.
I'll get one. I'll get another one.
Said his mom. Kip stuck his face in the ice cream.
Brr.
He said. Bert stuck her face in the ice cream.
Brr.
She said. The friends laughed and laughed. At last they were cool.